If you have a couple hundred channels with your new streaming TV service, you may find it challenging to scroll through dozens of channels to get to the one that you'd like to watch. So just like your old school remote control, you can enter a channel number with your Roku remote to get to the right channel that you want to watch without scrolling. And here is how you do it. From the on-screen channel guide, simply press the star to open up an options menu. Select Jump to Channel and then press OK on your remote, which will then open up a channel number pad. From here, pressing up, down, left, or right on your remote control pad, select a number and press OK on your remote until you have entered your favorite channel number. Now use your remote control to highlight OK and then press OK on your remote, which will take you to the channel that you want to watch. Then just press play pause on your remote and you're watching TV in seconds without scrolling through the channels.